In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MEXC to CoinTracker. By the end, you'll have your MEXC activity neatly imported so your portfolio and tax reports stay accurate and up to date. Start by opening CoinTracker and heading to the portfolio page. From here, navigate to the wallets section. This is where all of your exchanges and wallets live in one place. Look for the option to add a new one and select Add Wallet. In the search bar that appears, type MEXC and then choose MEXC Global from the results. That selection tells CoinTracker which import flow to use. On this screen, CoinTracker reminds you that the MEXC connection works via a CSV upload. In practice, that means two things. First, export a transactions file from your MEXC account. Second, make sure the file matches CoinTracker's CSV format. You'll see a CSV template and an article linked right on the page to guide you. If your export already lines up with the template, great. If not, copy your data into the template's columns exactly as labeled. Include every relevant transaction type you have on MEXC: deposits, withdrawals, spot trades, conversions, funding or earn activity, and fees, so balances and cost basis compute correctly. Set the date range to your full history and keep timestamps consistent, ideally in UTC. Save the file as a CSV, not a spreadsheet format, and avoid deleting required headers or adding extra columns. A quick sanity check helps. Totals should roughly match what you see on MEXC, and there shouldn't be blank rows or unusual characters. Back in CoinTracker, give the wallet a clear name so you'll recognize it later, for example, MEXC Global. This label is just for your dashboard organization. Next, select a CSV file to upload, locate the prepared file on your computer, and then click Import. CoinTracker will process the rows and add the transactions to your account. After the import completes, review the results. If CoinTracker flags any warnings, open them to see which rows need attention. Common fixes include correcting a timestamp format, filling in a missing fee, or using the exact asset ticker. If something looks off, you can adjust your CSV and re-import. It's also a good practice to spot check a few trades and transfers in the portfolio and taxes views to make sure quantities, dates, and fees align with your MEXC history. That's it. You've added MEXC to CoinTracker using a clean CSV import. If you keep trading, just export the new activity later and import another file to stay current. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.